You add 2 tablespoons of shea butter. And coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil. 1, 2. Then next, you use the double boiling method and double boil the oil so that it will melt. Okay, so it will be looking like this once it has melted. After that, you add 1 spoon of avocado oil and also 1 tablespoon of black castor oil. This is not even up to 1, though it's finished, so I could just manage it like that. Okay, yeah, so these are the mixture. The next, you transfer it to a bottle. After you've transferred it to a bottle, then you can start using it. So I have my mixture of shea butter, black castor oil, coconut oil, and lemon oil here. Okay, but before I use this mixture, now this will serve as my hair oil, right? But before I use this mixture, I'll first of all use my fresh aloe vera juice. This is the normal fresh aloe vera that I blended the gel. It came out like juice. So I'm going to apply it on my hair before I wash the hair. When I'm done washing the hair, I start using the shampoo and conditioner. When the hair is dry, I'll now apply this oil. So I'm going to show you how. So here's my hair. Right. So well, I'm not natural. I'm not like the natural hair. My hair is relaxed. So I'm going to use this mixture on my hair. Especially my edge. So I would have added it. Something so that it's really. So when you're using this aloe vera gel, make sure your scalp, the gel touches your scalp. It's really important. It's not just about your hair. So normally some people actually mix this aloe vera gel with their oil, but I choose to use it this way because if I have bought the regular gel or the processed gel, okay, I would have mixed it. But because this is the natural plant, right, I can't mix it because I don't like the smell when it stays long. Yeah, so I don't like the smell. I like using it while it's fresh. So if I have to mix it, it's going to change, somehow it's going to change the smell of the oil will change. So I don't like how it's come out. So instead I prefer using the aloe vera gel on my hair this way. When I'm done applying it, I'll leave it on my hair for like 30 minutes or thereabouts before I wash it off. Okay, so I'm going to use all glass. I don't want to waste anything. So aloe vera is good for your hair. It's one of the best treatments you can use for your hair. You can even use aloe vera for your skin as well. Okay, so my hair is wet, but it's not just about the hair being wet, but making sure that the aloe vera gets to the scalp. Most especially is my edge. Okay, I'll make sure the aloe vera is on my edge. That this stuff on my body, but it's so sweet aloe vera. But not that it's bad, aloe vera is good for the skin as well. So normally what I do is after applying it, I put on this cap because I want to kind of steam it a little, so not like your regular kind of steaming, right? I just want, for some reason, I don't want air to enter the hair, so I'm going to carry it like this for like 30 minutes. Okay, so that's, I think it works better. You don't have too much air on your hair, right? So I'm going to carry like this for 30 minutes. When I'm done, after 30 minutes, I will go and wash it with shampoo and conditioner. Then I'll be back. So as you can see, I've dried my hair. So the hair is kind of dry. So I'm going to use this oil as a moisturizer for my hair. So it will help moisturize and condition my hair. Right, so all I need just rub it on my palm, right, and make sure it's, I have it all over my hair, especially my edge, really important, especially my edge. So yeah. It's very good. So you have to section your hair, make sure it touches your scalp, right? Just like this. So now with this oil, you don't need to get your regular hair cream. You can actually make this and use it on your hair every time, right?